Hello guys, welcome to our channel Knowledge World. Today in this video we will be talking about stock market. In this video we will understand what is a share, what is stock market and how do shareholders get profit by buying shares. So guys, before we begin this video, give a like to this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel Knowledge World and switch on the bell notification button. So guys, let's begin. So guys, before we understand what is stock market, first let's understand what is a share. The shares are the equal parts into which a company's capital is divided into. The shareholder gets the ownership rights of the company as he owns the shares of the company. If the person holds 25% of the shares of the company, he gets 25% of the ownership rights of the company. Now the question arises, why do companies use shares? The shares are issued by the company so that they can raise funds to expand their business around the country. So guys, now let's understand what is a share with an example. Let us take an example of a private limited company XYZ. It is assumed that the founder of the company bought a capital of rupees 1 crore. The face value of each share is rupees 10. So company XYZ has 10 lakh shares. So guys, I hope you have understood what is a share and how share value is calculated at the beginning with this example. So guys, after understanding what is shares, now let's understand what is stock market. Stock market is the place where individual and institutional investors come together to buy and sell shares in the public venue. For a company to be a part of the stock market, they have to list their company in any of the stock exchanges of their country. In India, there are many stock exchanges, but the two known stock exchanges of India are NSE and BSE. The headquarters of NSE and BSE are in Mumbai. NSE was founded in 1992, whereas BSE was founded in 1875. BSE is the oldest stock exchange in Asia. 1,952 companies are listed in NSE and 5,439 companies are listed in BSE. The market capitalization of NSE is 2.030 trillion US dollars. The market capitalization of BSE is 2.056 trillion US dollars. Now let's understand how do people trade in stock market. Let us take an example of investor A who wants to invest in company XYZ. But let's assume that investor A has no knowledge and time to know in which company should he invest and get good returns on his investment. In this case, he goes to a stockbroker who invests in a good company and gives good returns to the investor. But let's assume the investor has good knowledge and time to know in which company he should invest. In this case, he directly invests in the company which he wants and gets good returns on his investment. So guys, finally let's understand how do shareholders get profit on buying shares. First let's talk about short-term investors. Short-term investors do buying and selling of shares. They buy shares at a low price and when the prices go up, they sell it. They get the profit by buying and selling of shares. If we talk about long-term investors, when the company in which they have invested get a profit, the profit earned by the company is distributed within the shareholders according to the percentage of the shares they own. For example, if a shareholder owns 25% of the shares of the company, he earns 25% of the profit earned by the company. Some amount is given to the shareholder as dividend and rest of the amount is reinvested in the shares by the company. Since the company has reinvested some of the amount earned by him in his shares, the value of his shares increases and in future if he wants to earn more profit, he can sell his shares and earn more profit. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Give a like to this video, subscribe to our channel Knowledge World and switch on the bell notifications button so that you don't miss any new updates. And check out these awesome videos. So guys, meet you in the next video.